Right here, right now, we're going to talk about some network marketing automation hacks. Whether you're a network marketer, you're a solopreneur, you're making content online, trying to sell a course, no matter what it is, you got to have some systems in place to be able to get these people into your pipeline. If you're not doing this, then you're missing out and you are selling yourself short. So let's talk about this today. What can you do right now to start generating leads in a very simple and cost-effective way that are going to help you grow an income to get you out of your 9-to-5. Join me in this video. At the end, I'm going to give you some simple tips and a couple of tools that you can use to go out and implement these ideas and bring them into your business right now. It's very simple. So let's do this. Solopreneurs and network marketers, why are most of them struggling right now? It's because they're out cold messaging. If you have a network marketing business or you have a marketing agency or anything along those lines, what are you going to do to drum up business? Most likely, you're going to go onto LinkedIn, you're going to go on to different social media platforms, and you're going to start shooting out a whole bunch of messages, looking for somebody who needs the service that you have, the business that you have, the ideas that you have, that wants to pay you, join you, be a part of your business. And that's better than doing nothing. Let's just be real right now. I spent a number of years sending messages, cold messages on LinkedIn, trying to reach out to people and trying to help them grow their business. The problem is that I wasn't putting them into some sort of system. So I'm sending out a message to person X, person Y, person B, and if they don't answer or they are interested and they end up not joining, they're not in some sort of follow-up system. And what you really need is a system that is going to allow you to follow up with these people long-term. Even if you're doing network marketing the traditional way. My mom was the second person to join my network marketing business 13 years ago today. And she's doing it the same way that I had done it for a bunch of years. And that was, you talk to people, you find out if they're interested. If they're interested, you keep following up with them. If they're not interested and they tell you to piss off, then they very quickly kind of find their way out of your mental brain loop, right? You're not going to be following up with or remembering people that told you that they're not interested and they don't want to buy your thing. But if you put them on to some sort of a mailing list, now they're going to automatically get followed up with, and they can always opt out of that, but a lot of people are not going to opt out. So the most important thing that I can give you for advice right now is, if you're a network marketer, put together a mailing list. This is a very simple thing that you can do. I have people on my team that have built a mailing list that have very little technical expertise and been able to start adding people to it. I'm even talking to my mom about implementing the same sort of thing into her regular system. It's something that everybody can do. Now let's talk about lead capture and funnels. All right. So if you are making content in any sort, you need to capture the leads. So what are you going to do? You're going to give them something for free. You want to bring them into your funnel, and that funnel can be a very simple online funnel. It can be a basic lead capture page. There's a couple of different ways that you can do it. You can even enter them manually yourself to build out this email list. So for the network marketers, what is the easiest thing that you can do? Instead of sending somebody directly to your company's website when they're interested in buying a product, you send them to a lead capture page instead. That lead capture page is then going to email them automatically once they put in their information, out the information on how to look at the different products that your company offers. This is a really simple, like one little additional step that you can add in between just sending them directly to your company's page that is going to make all the difference in the world. Because when you send somebody to your company's website, it's not going to collect their email address. It's not going to collect really any information on them unless they join and buy a product. So the problem with this is, yes, maybe they went to the page, they browsed around a little bit, they had some bills that they had to pay first, and they wanted to wait before they ended up going out and signing up and buying those products or joining your team. Now it's easy for them to fall through the cracks of life. It's hard to follow up with everybody all the time if you're actively growing a network marketing business. It's really easy to forget about somebody or let them slip and fall through the cracks. By adding them to this lead capture page first, having them put in their email address, then you're going to have the additional opportunity to follow up with them over email and let them know, hey, we have a special promotion happening this month on product X, or right now you can get 10% off for the first 5 customers on whatever product. So it gives you the opportunity to send out promotions, to send out new product releases, all these different things that before, because they never actually bought the product from the company, they're not getting those emails. So by controlling the fact that you got their email address first, that puts them into your system and allows you to reach out, whether it be weekly or monthly or even quarterly. It allows you to start growing a list of people that you can follow up with that want to order your products. Now think about it this way. I've been doing network marketing. I've been working with the same company for 13 years now. It's going to be 13 years in about a month. So if I had a list of all the people that I've talked to about the products that I've been offering for the last 13 years, how many people do you think would be on that list? There would be probably thousands at this point. But because I hadn't been doing that until fairly recently, I missed out on that. And do you think that I can remember the person that I talked to on the golf course 10 years ago, or even 5 years ago, or the person that I met at the gym 2 or 3 years ago? Probably not. There's a lot of people that, even though I have a pretty good memory and I remember faces, I bartended for a long time, it's really easy for me to remember people. There is guaranteed to be probably hundreds of people that I've completely forgotten about. Unless I came across them in public in the wild again, then I'd be like, oh yeah, I remember Jim. I was golfing with him at Breakfast Hill, 3-4 years ago. But unless that happens, they're never going to pop back into my memory. And I'm never going to be able to follow up with them and let them know about this new product that just released. So the most important thing that you can do right out of the gate is to put them onto your mailing list. Now, the next hack that I want to go over with you guys is producing content. If you're like probably pretty much everybody out there that is in some sort of side business trying to grow an income to get out of your job, you're creating content on something, whether it be YouTube right here, or you're on TikTok, or you're on X, putting out tweets on a regular basis, whatever it is, Instagram, it doesn't even matter. You're gonna have content that's out there that's gonna be getting views. Now, out of these people that are viewing your content, there's a percentage of them that are gonna go to your profile. And on your profile, pretty much every platform allows you to put one link minimum. So you can put up Linktree, where you have all these different options for somebody to choose from on what they want to click on, choose your own adventure sort of experience. What do they want to either buy from you or follow you on other platforms or all these things? But instead of doing that, you give them one link that allows them to go and put in their email address to get an email from you to find out about your other platforms that you're on, to find out about products that you recommend, to find out about how they can create a business on the side to get them out of their 9-to-5 job. Whatever it is that you're passionate about, that you're really good at helping people achieve results with, you can have an email that goes to all those people and helps them with that. And what's really cool about this is, say you change your path, you already have this email list built. So if you go from one network marketing company to another, or you go from having one side business to creating another one, you can send out an email and say, hey, I used to be doing this and now I'm doing this. If you're interested, let's work together. Or if you're interested, I'd like to help you. So it gives you the opportunity to actually own a database of, 10, 20, 50, 100, 1,000, 5, 10, 20,000 people that you can now reach out to every time you have a new idea, a new project, and you can let them know, hey, this is what I'm working on right now. And if this is something that's interesting to you, I'd like to get you involved. I'd like to offer you the opportunity to improve, this or that. It's really cool. So the most important thing, and I keep saying this, I keep stressing the same thing, that email list is so important for you to be able to utilize to give people an opportunity to continue hearing from you and to work with you in the future. Now, everybody talks about earning money while you sleep. Earning money while you sleep comes from producing content, but also having something for sale. So that's where that email list also comes in. You have an email series of 1 to 5 emails that go out automatically when somebody registers for that. So what's really, really amazing about this, and I'm going to keep this one kind of short, but it's so powerful, is that when somebody joins your mailing list, it doesn't mean you're creating content on a live video right now at this current moment. It means you created a piece of content, they went over, they clicked on your website, they jumped in, they got an email. It could be 2 a.m. where you are right now, and maybe they're ready to buy at this minute, right this second. They get an email, it says, hey, you can lose weight using X product. And they're like, all right, I'm just going to order it. I'm sick of dealing with this. I want to take action right now, and they can make a purchase. So earning money while you sleep is such an incredible idea, but you have to have a way for people to see something and then jump on it right then. Now, because I want to help everybody that's on this video right now actually take action with this, I've put together a free resource that you can download. It's right on Google Drive. So all you have to do is go to my link, and I'm going to email you this free resource that tells you why you need an email list, how you can set up this process, and the software that I use to do it myself. And it's going to ship right over to you right now, no matter what time it is. I could be sleeping. This could be 3 or 4 in the morning for me, which I might actually still be up then, but it could be 3 or 4 in the morning, and you're going to get this resource. You can decide what you want to do with it right now. And on top of that, for a special bonus offer, I'm actually going to post a link in the comments to join my free Facebook group where you can learn more about this. So I'm actually active in this. If you join it, I'm going to shoot you a message so we can connect and we can chat a little bit. And my goal is to help everybody on the face of this planet that wants it put this system together. Now, I've been doing this for quite a while now, and I know how difficult it is for a new person to start to build out the system. How do I build a funnel? I don't even know. How do I build a website? I have no clue. How do I start an email list? I mean, if you're new to this and you're just hearing some of these ideas right now, these aren't things that you automatically just know how to do. But what's nice is that I've, over time, put together a team of people that can help me do these things. I'm also just like you. I didn't know how to do these things out of the gate. I've learned how to build them through trial and error, through practice, spending countless hours building out different websites and funnels, and then deciding finally that I can find somebody that can do this for me much, much better and much, much easier than if I tried to do it myself. So I will give you access to these people that can actually build your funnel for you, that can build your website for you, that can put together a lead magnet so you have something to offer for free to your people that are watching your content. So if you want to, I'm not saying you have to, but if you want to, you can join my Facebook group and I will message you and let me know, hey, I heard that you can help me put together a website, a funnel, a lead magnet, or whatever it is that you need. And I have some people that I can already reach out to who I've vetted, I've been working with for years, that can help build these things and put it together for you. If you're somebody who sees this as a really cool idea and you just don't know how to put it together, you know you're going to struggle trying to build it, then just let me know. Join my Facebook group, talk to me on Facebook, send me a message, and we'll talk about it. And for a very reasonable cost, especially right now, because I'm kind of just getting started with this offer, I can do this for you for pretty much close to cost for me to get your own funnel, get your own personal brand website, get your own lead magnet, get your own email system. So if somebody joins, you can send them the emails, this and that, all those things. I can help you do that for a very affordable price. We're talking maybe $100 a month for the software to have your website, the email list, and all that stuff. And then a few $100s probably to build your website or funnel, whatever you want to call it. It's basically the same thing, but I can help you get this stuff put together and you don't have to stress about it. It's really hard to figure out on your own. Trust me, I went through that. I lost all my hair trying to figure these things out. Actually, I lost it beforehand. It's not easy, but I'm willing to help, especially right now because I'm just getting started. I have the time still to be able to help people build these things. So thank you for checking out this video today. Free Range Marketers is the Facebook group, but the top pinned comment, you'll be able to check that out down there below. And, hopefully I can help you. That's really what this is all about. Of course, I'm trying to grow my business, but the way that I grow my business is by helping a whole bunch of people grow their business. And that's what's really awesome about what I do and why I absolutely love it. There's really nothing I love more than just helping people succeed, helping people achieve their goals, and helping people quit their job. And that's really what it's all about to me. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.